I've worked a number of shows with Neil, and I've seen that truck move, but that was the best yet! And I am here to declare, ladies and gentlemen, as Kirby gives the consolation pass,